My dear students, this is the practice paper 1 on revision mixed up questions for physics for class 9। जैसा कि मैंने कहा था कि अब आपका एग्ज़ाम 15 सितंबर से शुरू होने का ज़्यादा चांस है, तो उसमें मैं ग्रेविटेशन में जहाँ तक पढ़ाया हूँ फिजिक्स में वहाँ तक पूछूंगा, और केमिस्ट्री में जो आपका 2 चैप्टर्स ख़त्म हो चुका है वो दोनों चैप्टर से आएंगे क्वेश्चंस। तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप किए क्लास 9th के, और उन्होंने बताया कि रिवीजन ही अभी बेस्ट है। मिक्स्ड अप क्वेश्चंस होने चाहिए हर चैप्टर से मिलाकर, और उस तरह से रिवीजन हो जाए जब तक एग्ज़ाम नहीं आता, और फिर इसके बाद जैसे आपका एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म होगा तब मैं आगे पढ़ाना शुरू करूँगा। इससे क्या होगा कि जो बच्चे बीच में कुछ टॉपिक्स नहीं पढ़ पाए उनको भी समय मिल जाएगा रिवाइज़ करने के लिए और फिर एग्ज़ाम में अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए। तो ये रिवीजन का पहला प्रैक्टिस पेपर है। मैं कुछ प्रैक्टिस पेपर यूं ही दिया करूँगा, आप बनाएंगे, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आपसे नहीं बनेगा तो फिर आप नोट्स एनसीईआरटी पर फोकस कीजिए, अच्छे से मेहनत कीजिए, ज़रूर बनेगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एन ऑब्जेक्ट कवर्स 240 किलोमीटर विथ 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर। कैलकुलेट द टाइम टेकन टू कवर दिस डिस्टेंस। An object covers 240 km with 54 km per hour. You have to calculate the time taken to cover this distance. Means in this question, the distance is given 240 km, the speed is given 54 km per hour, and you have to calculate the time taken to cover the distance. Second question, differentiate uniform and non-uniform motion. Only you have to differentiate uniform and non-uniform motion. Third question, pick out the vector quantities. You have been given some quantities, some physical quantities here. Out of these physical quantities, which quantities are vector that you have to select it out? Mass, weight, force, acceleration, momentum, speed and velocity. Out of these quantities, which quantities are vectors that you have to pick out? Question number 4, an object covers 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Here the question is, an object is covering 16 meter in 4 seconds. The distance is 16 meter and the time taken to cover that distance is 4 seconds. That is given. And another distance of 16 meter is going to be covered by 2 seconds. Means here 2 distances are there and 2 respective times are there. First distance is 16 meter, then first time is 4 seconds. The another distance is 16 meter, and for that the another time is 2 seconds. You have to calculate the average speed of the object. By knowing the formula to find out the average speed, you can easily calculate it. Question number 5, calculate the gravitational force between two objects of masses 400 kg and 200 gram separated by 1 centimeter in air. If two objects of masses 400 kg and 200 gram have been separated by 1 centimeter in air, then what is the gravitational force acting between them? Two masses are there. The first one is 400 kg, second one is 200 gram. Here the mass is given in gram, so you have to convert it into SI unit, that is into kg. Here the distance between the object is given in centimeter. Again there is needs a conversion of centimeter into meter, because the distance has meter in SI unit, not centimeter. The SI unit of distance is meter, not centimeter. So first of all you have to convert this mass, this gram, into kilogram, and then this centimeter into meter. Then you have to write the formula to find out the gravitational force, and keeping the values given you can easily calculate it out. Question number 6, write the importance of gravitational force. What are the importance of gravitational force that you have to write? You may write any 3 importance of gravitational force. 7th, why momentum is vector quantity? Momentum is an example of vector quantity. You have to give the reason behind it. How can you say that The momentum is an example of vector quantity. Question number 8. State Newton's third law of motion. Only you have to write a statement. What the third law of motion states. Question number 9. What is law of inertia? What do you mean by the term law of inertia? Last question of this revision practice paper. What is the measure of inertia? What is the measure of inertia means on which factor inertia of an object depends. Inertia depends upon what? That you have to answer. So in this revision practice paper there are 10 questions based on all 3 chapters up to taught portion in physics for class 9. All these questions will strengthen your potential of physics. Solve them out. Thank you.